steaming hot straight from the wok, mushroom fried rice. Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Really simple this one today, very few ingredients, keeping it nice and basic. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, nothing to it, this one really quite simple. So I've got like 4 or 5 cups of cooked rice. I'm using a basmati rice, and always use cold rice when you're making fried rice. Hot or warm rice does not work out so well. 1 onion sliced or chopped, up to you. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, fresh. Mushrooms, I'm using a fresh white mushroom. There's about 100 grams there, or like, 4 kind of that size mushrooms. I've got some soy sauce there, like a light soy sauce I'm using, not a dark one. Dark if you like. We're gonna start this off with some oil. We're gonna add some black pepper only. Super easy, let's get to the cooker. Okay, so pan with some oil in it. I'm using some sunflower oil. Use something different if you want. In goes our ginger and our garlic. Just give that a little stir. I'm going to pop in our onion. 3 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, these onions are coming together really nicely with that garlic and the ginger. We're now going to pop in our mushrooms. Cut these nice and thin. We're going to add some black pepper, nice hefty pinch of black pepper. Not adding any salt because we're going to add the soy sauce, and that's usually, I find, salty enough. If you wanted, you could add extra salt. Throw these around, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. See you then. There you go. The mushrooms are kind of cooking down and giving off a little bit of moisture. We're now going to add in that soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. "90 seconds, 2 minutes. See you then. Beautiful stuff. Simply, we're going to get our cold cooked rice in there. Just changing spoons now. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Try and really fry the rice. If it gets a little bit of browning or even blackening on the rice, I'm super happy. I hope you can hear that there. That's the rice frying. We're making fried rice, not a salad. So there's some people chuck their rice in, mix it around, and out it goes. You actually need to fry the rice. Like I said, if you get a little bit of, see that little browning on the rice there as I'm turning it? That's all good. You see there? That's beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. If you wanted, you could add some fresh chili to this. I'm keeping this vegan. If you wanted to add some egg, get a couple of beaten eggs, push that to one side. Cook your beaten egg in there first, then mix it in. That's your lot, hold tight. I'm going to finish this off just with a few green onions or spring onions, whatever you call those. Mix that in, we're done. Nice and easy, beautiful, straightforward mushroom fried rice. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love.